everyone, welcome back. If you want to safely store your Solana crypto, this is the right way to create a Phantom wallet from scratch. First of all, from your app store, search the Phantom Wallet app and then download the official Phantom Wallet app from the App Store, Google Play, or use the browser extension. Then open the app and tap Create a new wallet. After that, continue with email or your Apple ID. If you want to continue with Apple, click continue with Apple. If you want to continue with Google, click continue with Google. Now, for Apple, they will ask for your Face ID. Give them your Face ID. And then you're going to create a PIN. This PIN cannot be recovered, so make sure you confirm your PIN twice or you write it out somewhere that you won't forget it. Also, make sure that you never screenshot your recovery phase PIN. Now, create a username. You could do the username that the App Store suggests, or you could also do your own. Confirm the recovery phase by tapping these words to correct other. Once done, your Phantom account is created and ready to receive tokens. Keep your recovery phrase secure. Anyone with it can access your wallet, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.